Hey friends, thanks for coming back to the channel. Once again, I am still going through my repository on GitHub, the CS utilities that have a whole bunch of C# utility programs that I've written. Some for practice, some for fun, some for actually doing stuff. If you find any of these useful, feel free to give me a shout out and let me know to keep on going. I mean, I will regardless, but it's always nice to know that people out there are finding what I do useful. So anyways, this was something that I decided to play around with. This one is called import data CSV. And essentially what it is just a really short, small program that's designed to import CSV data, and then which is comma separated value data in like a Google sheet or a spreadsheet from like Excel, and then sort it in whatever way that we want it to be sorted. So it starts here with this driver program, this driver class that imports the file from wherever it is that you decide to put it. This is of course hard coded, it doesn't have to be, but again, this was very, very bare bones, just like all the programs in here, designed to be just designed to have the engine in there that you need, and then you modify it how you need it to. And then what it'll do is it'll sort using this sorting hat class right over here. And in this case, the sorting hat class again has hard coded support for ID sort, first name sort, and last name sort. So we're going to sort by IDs here to kind of show you what's going on here. And then what it'll do is it'll rewrite it into a new sorted sheet.csv. Okay, so both of those are here. So this is what the actual sheet looks like. I've got these first name, last name, and ID in that particular order. And then as you can see, it's not in order by ID. This one should be at the bottom. This one should be at the top. This one's like third, I think, something like that. Now it's just simple for things for it to mess around with so that it goes quick, but obviously you can add as much as you need to. And this doesn't have to be in this kind of text format. You could take a sheet from Google Sheets and download it as a CSV file, whatever works. But anyways, so that is the original right here. And then we're going to go ahead and run this. And all it does is it just does it really quick for you. That's the whole idea. So here's what it originally looks like. As you can see, this is the same order that's over here in the sheet one, written out for us just to see, letting us know that there's 4 items in the list. And then it sorts it for us by ID. So of course, Cheryl is first, then me, then Rufio, and then finally Maya, all by ID. And then if I go ahead and hit enter, closes it up, that's the end. And if I open up this sorted sheet, there you go. There it is written for me. So it's a really quick way to import that. And that was really the main idea. I just added the sort thing for funsies. But really what I want to do is I want to practice importing data from a CSV file for future projects that would involve, say, like a database like MongoDB or something along those lines. So anyways, if you find that to be useful, or if you want to decompile that code and learn a little bit about how to import CSV files, it's super easy and simple, as you can see. It really is just that driver. The data class here is hard-coded based on the type of data that is being imported. So that is one thing that I'll be working on, is figuring out a way to make that not make it a little bit more malleable, I guess, for future updates. But there you go. So give that one a shot if you want to. And yeah, thanks for stopping by.